So I'm going to make another video about how Jim Profit would vote in the 2012 ballot, whatever state I randomly pick at the time. And this one is North Dakota's Property Tax Amendment Measure 2, which essentially wants to get rid of all property taxes. Obviously, I'm going to be opposed to it, but the common argument is going to be that, oh my god, we're going to lose so much revenue. That's besides the point. I mean, yeah, you are going to lose a lot of revenue. But the issue becomes, where are you getting the revenue from? And you're not getting it from the average homeowner. The average homeowner does not really care about his property taxes. You know who cares about property taxes? People that own store outlets, people that own apartment buildings, people who generally have an unlimited income because it's a perpetual profit. So if they're making profit and not simply owning a home, then they have every reason to be taxed. That's why you should vote against this bill. Not so much because it's a loss in revenue. That's, like I said, that's besides the point. The point is the type of people that are exempt from property taxes do not deserve to have their tax exemption revoked. It comes down to, are you for the poor or are you for the rich? Now I know that people that own apartment complexes and mom and pop stores aren't exactly super rich. They're not banking cartel rich. They're not Blackwater mercenary rich. But they're still rich. And they should be flipping the bill so that the poor can have adequate health care, proper education, better living conditions, better wages, so that everyone gets to live relatively equally good, hopefully. So that's what this comes down to. Why should the rest of us have to suffer just because the petty bourgeois does not want to pay his fair share of taxation? So this is a pretty short video, obviously to be expected from a tax-based bill. Very rarely would I ever vote down a tax, except for tobacco tax, but I've already explained that one to you. So I guess